What if your hotel could automatically generate personalized upsell offers for every guest before they arrive and while they are staying? Hey, this is Rahul Joshi, and in this video, I'll show you a fully automated upsell system that reads guest data, uses AI to generate personalized recommendations, updates your CRM, and notifies your team in real time. Step 1. Schedule trigger. This workflow runs every day at 9 a.m. It starts the upsell automation without any manual action. Step 2. Google Sheets. Read guests. This step reads all guest records from Google Sheets, including stay status, room type, preferences, and spend level. Step 3. If, before arrival. This step filters guests who are arriving soon and routes them to the pre-arrival upsell flow. Step 4. If, during stay. This step filters guests who are currently checked in and routes them to the in-stay upsell flow. Step 5. Set guest context before arrival. This step prepares guest details and sets the stay phase as before arrival for AI processing. Step 6. Set guest context during stay. This step prepares guest details and sets the stay phase as during stay for AI processing. Step 7. AI. Generate upsell. This step sends the guest profile to OpenAI to generate one personalized upsell recommendation. Step 8. Parse AI response. This step cleans and parses the AI JSON response into structured upsell fields. Step 9. Google Sheets. Update row. This step writes the selected upsell type back to the correct guest row in Google Sheets. Step 10. Slack. Notify team. This step posts the upsell recommendation to Slack so the team can act on it quickly. Step 11. Error trigger. This step catches any workflow failure and routes errors to the alert flow. Step 12. Slack. Alert on workflow failure. This step sends an error alert to Slack with failure details for quick troubleshooting. That's how you turn guest data into revenue opportunities automatically. Subscribe for more real-world automation systems, and I'll see you in the next one.